Hi.
Like, I can't let her, period.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, ne? Guys, I get this corner, so I can't speak English unfortunately for this video, right? But Baraking, what's in my bag? This is my bag. This is my never full, right? It's not Gucci, guess, but ke manifesta the Gucci and stuff like that.
Period.
Kara ke na koloi a gona go tla namela di-taxi ka Gucci sharp la tlhalohanya. So ke na le umbrella a ke na koloi guys, so tshwanetse ke nne le umbrella. Ke na le maswitsi, I love sugar. Ke a reketse ke chom ya ka mong a ratang sometimes one user no a re kire YouTube what
yena o kwatile kwata
ka hore yena o ngadile YouTube. So nna ka hore I see the vision, guys, support, I'm here. The headset tse ke do no ke ditsere mo ex ya ka ha ka dutso ne ke re ke dutso, and then ke na le key ya room here, my friend. So yeah, there's that. This is an ointment, but I use it on my lips because it's nice. I don't know why. Broke as niggas, but this is a lot of money. I can't see you guys when I have money. Yeah. Yes. And then kinale spoon. Ask no questions, hear no lies. Vaseline yaga e fediling. There's 3 books, guys. I think it's already books at 3. It just happens for it today. I decided what I want to start. And then there's a pad, tissue, and panty liners. Yeah, so if you need them, you can always come to me. I won't give you, but you can always come. There's always a perfume in my bag. Sorry. Passport. I always have a passport in my bag. And then my pens and pencils and cards, the club, what license, medical aid, you get the picture, right? Pepper spray, it's important. And today the bag I have, the jersey or jacket I have in here, I can pull over today, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna explain that. And then I have this. I decide to sleep wherever I am. And then I get what yes, yona eo. And then kitty queen. Koraka cool time maybe like on 1 2 3. Guys, lend donate telling me. This video kira fela hore. So that we can get monetized and stuff like that. Every single daily milkshake. But that's it, guys. Either way. But I don't even need to introduce myself because I don't think she has friends. I'm the only friend. So shapong guys, ne lebele letsatsi le monate le lebele video hanchi. Ba re like, subscribe, share, comment. Ko re itse ke eng? Iran tlaka yo etlheleng ya gang go hira. Ka lerata a ke ya ka modimo wa lerata. And have a wonderful day, night, evening, morning. Wa bana ke re sekhwasa mpala. A ke na ne ke nya ka go le botsa ke re whatever time you look at this video, right, or watch. Let's say I'm trendy saka hore ba botle. But either way, whatever time le lebelang le enjoying, le lebeleng ha bedi or ha 3 nyana, and over ha le ka lebela ha 5. Wa bontsha re lebeletse ha 5. Wa comment ha 5. I know. Ke tlo lisa dating. Actually, you know what? Somar ke giveaway ne. Like, comment, share, subscribe ne. And when we get to 500 followers, right, subscribers, sorry, I am taking that person out on a not, it's not a date, but I'm taking you to Gold Reef City, all expenses paid. It's 2 nights though, because yeah, all expenses paid. Let's get my friend to 500 followers, and not just fake accounts, guys. I need active people to follow my friend and watch all her videos. Thank you, bye. Love you loads, get sanas.